Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's your boy D here at D's Garage. So, we got some cab lights to do. We actually got 2 trucks to do. It's been probably about a good month since I've done some, so I'm excited. These customers have been waiting patiently. They set up their appointment, and here they are to get them done at the same time. Come on in. As you can see, or if you want to get on that thing over there, there's no marker lights on top. So, no marker lights at all. This is the Duramax AC4 HD. Over here we got another one. This is the GMC Ultimate. As you can see right up on top, no cab lights whatsoever. I got my boy who is helping me take these trucks apart, trained by me. So I trained him. He does a really good job, guys, helping me taking them apart. Right over here, we got the cab lights. You guys already know what these look like, but I'm going to show you how they look. And then I got some info to tell you guys. You got the outer lights, right? Nice and shiny, clean and new. Gentlemen, these are the GM parts that you need. We are using GMC parts. We're not giving you aftermarket stuff, okay? Because these are gonna last you a lot longer. Let's open up the center one. I'll share the part numbers for you guys. This is the center light. Brand new. You guys just seen me opening the box. So brand new. We're not giving you any used parts or anything like that. So that's the way those are gonna look. These boxes are all the same. And then somebody just recently asked me if this affects your warranty, which it doesn't, because we're not splicing into your wiring harness. We're not cutting any of the wiring, so it shouldn't void any of your warranty. All this is a plug and play deal. Okay? The other thing that I want to mention to you guys, if you know what these are going, my price is, I just got to let you guys know that just recently GM decided to start charging a core fee, or a core, whatever, for cab lights, either due to they don't want trucks who don't have them on, right? Or I believe that's what it is. So if your truck doesn't have it, you know, they want you to pay that extra fee. And the core fee is about an extra $120, $130. So now, in addition to you buying this center one, and it's only for the center one,
Sure it is.
we get them for about, just gonna do a number, $150. So if you don't have that core, now you're gonna be paying an additional $150. So just for this light, you're gonna be looking at like $300. Just an idea. So the price did just go up. You know, these gentlemen here, one's driving down from Bakersfield, so that's about a 2-hour drive. This gentleman here said Tahoe, somewhere out in Tahoe. Let me see if his plate says, let me see. Yeah, somewhere out in
Lake Tahoe?
Lake Tahoe or something like that. So it's a little drive, but he's got some family here, so he stayed here and drove all the way here to Corona to get the job done correctly. Guys, I have done, I'm gonna say 100 trucks already, okay? So you guys know, the more you do these things, the better, the faster, and all that good stuff. So if you guys are looking to get these done, contact me. I'll see what I can do for you. And if you like it, we can set up a date and appointment. I do require a deposit to get the parts on order. Let me know and stay tuned for the results on these two beautiful trucks. Come on, let's show them the trucks one more time. Push positive. One more time, guys. Look at this. No lights. Yeah, baby. Let's get them. Woo!